Yokoso, SD in Sweden. And you wonder why I speak Japanese today? Because I'm gonna make the famous Japanese buns today. If you wonder what Hokkaido bun is a very soft, aromatic, buttery bun. Or rather, the Japanese call it the milk bun. And it can be eaten by itself with just a little bit of butter, or you can use it as a burger bun, just like I use in my Popeye burger. And the secret for this super soft bun is by this Japanese method called the Tangzhong method. So if you want to successfully make this bun, make sure you watch from start to the end, alright? So, are you ready? What happened to my eyelashes?
Hi guys, my name is SD. Welcome to SD in Sweden.
You are in the right channel if you want tips about how to eat healthy and live a happier life. Make sure you hit the bell button when you subscribe so you'll be notified when I upload a new videos. And if you're ready, let's begin. Now, let's make the Tangzhong paste with a little bit of flour and hot water and some milk. I'm going to cook this paste in the microwave instead of using the stove. By doing this way, I don't have to wash a pot. How lazy is that, right? You want to make sure that you check on the paste every 10 seconds. If it's too hot, you can always add liquid. Now let's mix the bread. In a big pot, I add some flour, sugar and salt. You can always use hand if you do not have a mixer at home. Now let's put in the yeast mixture. Followed by the Tangzhong paste. This paste I heard will help to lighten or make the bread more puffy. So you don't want to waste any of it. Make sure you follow the recipes. Do not put too much. Now, followed by the egg. Actually, I should have whisked the egg before I pour it in. But anyway, it's too late. And then I add half of the butter. And I keep the other half on the last part. Now we have a problem. This mixture is too big. And now I need to change the hook because it doesn't work. So let's do it. Let's see if it works better now. Yeah. You want to mix this for at least 20 minutes before you take it out. And quickly put them on the table and just fold in. And then you put them in a grease bowl and cover it with a plastic sheet. And you want to proof this for at least 45 minutes in a warm place. So after 45 minutes, you take out the dough gently and divide them into 8 equal portions. If you like to use a weighing machine, by all means do that. For me, I'm not so particular about this. So now, let's fold the buns. You want to gently fold them in to the center and then just roll them on the table until you form a round balls. You notice I push the dough towards the table and then I close the opening underneath and use my hand to gently form into small balls. So now this is going to be proofed for another 30 to 40 minutes, and after that you egg wash it with egg yolk and sprinkle with some black sesame seed. If you don't have black sesame seed, it's fine with white sesame seed also, or even better without any sesame seed. Some people, they like it, but for most of the Asian people, they prefer the black sesame seed, and I don't know why. Now, this needs to be baked in 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And while the bread is still hot, I'm going out to cuddle with Swante. Now, the bread is probably cooled down. Let's take a look. Oh my god, look at that. It's so soft, it's so aromatic and spongy. You want to eat them right away. So I'm going to make this Popeye chicken sandwich. And this is a perfect hamburger bread. Or you can eat them as it is with some jam or eggs. But I'm going to make this into my Popeye chicken sandwich. And that's the recipe that I have published recently, and if you want the link, I'm going to include them in the video description. This is just mayonnaise and sriracha sauce. It's a little bit spicy and it's a bit sour because of the salted cucumber and the sweetness from the soft fried onion. A perfect lunch, don't you think? In my next video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Malaysian national food, nasi lemak. It is my favorite food. Make sure you stay tuned. And also, I will be making a vlog about my life in the Swedish winter. You guys know I'm a Singaporean. Adapting to an extreme cold country is very difficult. So I wish I can share my experience with you guys so that you guys know how I adapt myself. Right now I'm cutting some pine needles so that I could make tea that helps to keep my body warm. You know, being a Singaporean, it feels so luxury being able to go out into the forest. Even at my backyard, I can pick things that I can eat and use it as medicine. Right, Swante? You agree? So you guys know I have some issue with my leg recently, and I went to the clinic yesterday and have them tape. So I'm going to show you what the clinic nurse did for my leg, and I'm going to give you and share with you some of my experience having this disease. It's called plantar fasciitis. It's a disease that I have been suffering for nearly 2 years now, and now I'm finally seeking help. So hopefully I can document my journey on how to have a better happy feet, and I also share with you my experience of some of the products that I've used, whether it works or not. Despite of my problem with my feet, we still managed to go out and have a lot of outdoor activities. So during this vlog, you will also get to see how me and LG spending peaceful time in the nature. Our long, dark winter has kept us indoor most of the time. It felt so nice to be out like out from the jail, So in this vlog, I hope to share with you some of our experience. I'm so glad you stay until the end of this video. Do subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to put the notification bell on. And check out my new video and support my channel by checking out my Patreon website. Enjoy your day. I'll see you again. Bye.